Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Samsung Galaxy A30s. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, inside scroll down and find advanced features, open it, and inside there's motions and gestures. First one is double tap to turn on screen and also double tap to turn off screen as a second option. We can lock our device, then double tap to wake it up and double tap again to lock down the screen. Next is keep screen on while viewing. Keep the screen on while you're looking at it using the front camera to detect your face. That means when your phone is unlocked and the camera can see your face, your device will basically never auto lock. Then there's alert when phone is picked up. Your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or message. Mute with gestures. Mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your phone or hand over the camera. So basically you just need to cover the camera. So for example, if you receive a call, you can place your phone upside down, camera to the table, and it should mute that specific call. Then there's palm swipe to capture. Swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. It should work like this, but most of the time it's a bit tricky to actually do it. But it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.